Good morning, students. Please take your seats. Alright, so as far as I can see, no one is absent. Let's clap for that. Okay, how was your morning today? Have you eaten your breakfast? Yes. Okay, what's your breakfast? May I ask? Egg. Okay. How about you? Rice. Very good. How about you? Hot dog and rice. Okay. So, how do you feel when you have eaten your breakfast? Okay, you feel energized, right? So, why do you think that you feel energized when you have eaten your breakfast? Okay, are you sure? Okay, you were saying that the food gives us energy, alright? So, this morning, we are going to have a new lesson, which is about having energy in our body, how the energy is transferred from one organism to the next. Do you want to know about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you excited for a new lesson?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so before we're going to move forward with our new lesson, may I ask, what was our lesson last time? Yes?
So our lesson last time was all about photosynthesis.
Very good. So we have known that photosynthesis is the process of what? Process of making
Food.
food. Who makes food? Is it the animals or the plants?
The plants.
The plants. Very good. So, for us to start with our new lesson, yesterday I told you to bring the pictures of animals and plants. Do you have it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see your animals. Okay, how about you, RJ? What do you have?
My animals is Jordan.
Jaguar. Okay, how about Eugene? What do you have? Fish. Alright. How about plants? What plants do you have? Flower. Out there, what's that? Papaya? Let me show you a picture. Please look at here in the TV. So I have here a picture of this one. What is this? Sun. Alright. So, what can you say about the sun? How do you feel when you are under the sun? You feel warm. Okay. What do you think is in the sun or from the sun that makes us warm? The heat. Okay. Heat is transferred through what kind of energy? What do you think? It starts with letter S. Sunlight or the solar energy. Okay. So the sun is the source of solar energy. Okay, so please raise your pictures. So I have here a ball of yarn. So I want you to imagine that this ball of yarn is the energy that comes from the sun. Okay, I want you to look at your picture. Where do you think this ball of yarn go if the energy from the sun will be transferred? Look at your picture. Do you have plants with you?
Yes.
Okay, who has a plant? Please catch this ball of energy. Please get it. Okay, what kind of plant is that?
Flower plant.
What kind of flower? Okay, so we can see now that the energy that comes from the sun is transferred to the flower. I want you to look at your pictures again. Which animal would you think that the flower or the energy that is in the flower be transferred? Hmm?
Insect.
Okay, what is that? Butterfly. Very good. Please transfer the ball of energy. Butterfly? Spider. Spider, do you have someone for spider? Okay, Eugene has a spider. Please transfer the ball of energy to Eugene. Which of the animals do you think would eat the spider? Chicken? Who has the chicken? Yes, chicken is there. Please transfer the ball. Look at the animals. Which animal would you think that is chicken? Snake. Who has a snake? Yes, the snake is there. Please get the ball of energy. We observe in our game or activity.
So I observed that there is a transfer of energy from one person to another.
One person?
One
organism.
organism to another through the use of
The yarn. Okay. What do you think this yarn signifies? Yes, anyone? This yarn signifies. Please stand up. This. Okay, this yarn signifies the flow of energy. So, with the use of this game, we have seen how the energy is transferred from the sun, which is the ultimate source. What is the ultimate source again? Sun. So, without the sun, can we get the energy that we want to have in our body? No. Okay. The island of Samal, which is part of Davao del Norte province, is off the coast of Mindanao. This island is the Montfort Bath Cave, which is approximately 245 feet or 75 meters and has 5 entrances. Baths cover 75% of the ceilings and walls. Can you imagine? Inside the cave, there's a lot of bats, and this estimated 1.8 million. The largest known population of Geoffroy's rosette fruit bats in the world are overloading Montfort Bat Cave on the Philippines, which is located in Samal Island. Okay, why do you think that these bats are concentrated in Mindanao or in Davao? Because they are considered as fruit bats. What is in Mindanao that makes the Geoffroy's rosette fruit bat 1.8 million? There's a lot of bats. What do you think? What is in Mindanao? Is Mindanao rich in fruits?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think are the fruits that can be found in Mindanao? Yes, what? Durian. Famous durian. We also have lanzones. Correct. Rambutan. Mangosteen, etc. So Davao is considered as the fruit basket of the Philippines. So the Geoffroy's rosette fruit bats feed on the fruit and nectar. The role as pollinators and seed dispersers in sustaining the Philippine forest. It includes such important commercial fruits such as durian. That's correct. Each bat consumes 1.5 to 3 times its body weight nightly in fruit and nectar. The colony consumes 550 tons. Imagine that. Of nectar from durian and other trees, pollinating an incredible numbers of flowers. Worldwide, cave-dwelling bats are in alarming decline due to human disturbance. The destruction of the cave roots. In some areas, including Samal Island, bats are captured and eaten by humans. Colonies like the one in the Montfort Bat Cave are now rare and in urgent need of protection. Their loss would endanger the health of the forest and human economies. The bats colony should be able to survive natural predators such as rats, 10-foot pythons. They also have occasional monitor lizard. It has bat populations to do elsewhere and dogs. We also have dogs, cats, and however, also seem to back hunting at the Montfort Bat Cave. Okay, that is our selection this morning. Question. Can you still remember what are the plants mentioned in the selection? The plants. What are the different plants mentioned in the selection? I have here plants and animals. I gave you some markers or whiteboard pens. Anyone who could answer what are the plants and animals mentioned in the selection? Please write it here in 30 seconds. So we have here a list of plants and animals that is mentioned in the selection. In the plants area, we have durian. Okay. In animals, we have python, dog, cats, and monitor lizard. Okay, I want you to recall the terms producers and consumers. Which of these areas do you think is considered as the producer? Durian. Very good. How about the consumers? Python, dogs, bats, cats, and monitor lizard. But the question is, we would like to determine where the energy flow or which of these animals eat first. So we have durian will be eaten by bats. Okay. And by the way, in having a diagram of transferring energy, there should be an arrowhead. So I want you to look at here. Okay, in this diagram, it shows producer, first order consumer, second order consumer. Okay, I will be grouping you into 4, and then I want you to make a diagram like this. I want you to determine which is the producer, which is the first order consumer, and the second order consumer based on the selection that we have. Okay. First 2 lines here would be group 1, group 2, group 3, and 4. Okay, I'll be giving you 5 minutes to do your activity. And
second order consumer, we have dog, cats, monitor lizard, and python. And the third order consumer is human. Then the energy from the sun and is transferred to the producer, which is durian. Then transferred to the first order consumer, which are the bats, and transferred to the second order consumer, which is the python.
okay, thank you so much. Let's clap for the group. Okay, so as you can see here, we can see the energy is transferred, right? There's a straight flow of energy. And this flow of energy is considered as the food. What do you think is the name of this flow? Food chain. Okay, it's called chain because the energy is transferred by eating and being eaten. Okay, so this is the food chain. So I'll be showing you 2 kinds of picture. Okay, so I have here an illustration. I want you to look at this illustration. So what can you say about the illustration? So this is, what have you seen on the arrows? Is it going in a one-way direction? No. So the arrows, as you can see, it's going to the other organism. Example is this tree. It was eaten by the rabbit, and then the rabbit was eaten by the jackal, or either a wild cat. So as you can see, the energy is interconnected. So the arrows are going either on the right or on your left or going down, etc. So this is an example of a forest food web. Why do you think that it's called web? Okay, as you can see, the arrows are interconnected. Very good. So another picture here is this one. So this is a food web on the ocean or in the sea. As you can see, also the arrows are interconnected. I have here another picture that includes a very important organism. What do you think is that organism? The decomposers. So why do you think that decomposers are important? Anyone would like to answer? Are decomposers important?
Yes.
How about the producers? Are they important?
Yes.
So we have known that there are human intervention or there are activities of human that may destroy the producer and the consumer, right? Okay, so what are those activities? What do you think are the activities of human or we as human that would somehow alter the life of the decomposer and the producer? We have illegal logging. What else? Okay, what else? Pollution. Alright, thank you. Okay, for your assessment today, everyone please read number 1. Construct a simple food chain based on the food that you have ate this morning up to the third order consumer. Label the trace and flow of energy by putting arrow. That's 10 points. Second is list down 2 examples of human activities that can alter or distort the food chain and web in the ecosystem. How can you help to stop it as a student? And for your assignment, construct a simple food web based on the organism that can be found in your locality and research and study on the water cycle and nitrogen cycle. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question for today's discussion? None? Okay, thank you so much for coming and have a great day ahead. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, sir.